In the previous video, we saw about A318, A319, A320 and A321. Now let us start off with A320 Enhanced. The Airbus A320E is an improved version of the Airbus A320 forked for the A320 project and formerly known as a winglet variant. NEO stands for New Engine Option. The aircraft are designed with new engines, enhanced cabins, large curved winglets and aerodynamic refinements. More aluminium alloys and composites are used in the manufacturing stage, helping in lowering the weight and maintenance cost. The innovation in the A320neo results in 50% lower fuel consumption per aircraft, 8% less operating cost, decreased noise production, increase in range by 500 nautical miles or 900 kilometers, 10% less nitrogen oxide emission compared to A320, enhanced cabin which allows 20% more passenger seats and 20% lower fuel consumption per seat. The A320neo or A320E is one of the most demanded aircraft nowadays due to its extraordinary features. This aircraft is so much economical compared to A320 series. Sharklets. The sharklets in A320neo are 2.4 meter in height and they weigh about 200 kilograms, such successor in reducing fuel burn by 3.5%. These sharklets cause increase of payload by 500 kilograms and increase of range by 100 nautical miles in the original payload. These sharklets help in reducing 700 tons of carbon dioxide per aircraft. The A320neo cabin offers better luggage storage. The look of the new cabin is more modernized and it includes LED lighting used for the passenger services unit. The cabin is installed with new touchscreen displays which will be easy for the crews to use. The new Space Flex design in the cabin increases the space efficiency as the lavatories are now shifted to the rear of the aircrafts. The lavatories are spacious and can be used by disabled people. The Space Flex design also allows 9 more passenger seats with large exit doors. The cabin's new design results in 6% increase in fuel efficiency per seat. Engine. The new engines will burn 16% less fuel, but the actual efficiency will be slightly lower as 1 to 2% will be typically lost while being installed on an existing aircraft. The range will be increased by 500 nautical miles and there will be extra payload of 4,400 lb, that is almost 1,995.8 kgs. These are few of the ATA chapters and the links corresponding to the ATA numbers and the topics. You can click on the PDF and go through the content. These are some of the links for Airbus A320 corresponding to their ATA chapters and the PDFs. I hope you would have understood the Airbus A320 Enhanced and Airbus A320neo. Now let us move on to A330 in the next video.